Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set default apps into your Windows 11 in a very simple way. What you need to do, just simply come over into your search option and going to search for default app. If you couldn't find any relevant options over here, simply come over into your start icon, click on the right mouse button and then go for settings. After maximizing it, simply go for apps and then you will get an option called default apps. If you click on that, this is the all apps, those are default. So if I want to set Google Chrome as default and click enter, or if you just simply can search for Google Chrome, here is Google Chrome. So if you click on that, you can see make Google Chrome your default browser. So if you set a default, it will automatically select it as default Google Chrome web browser for your Windows 11. From this, you can simply use any of apps that you want to use it as default. You can simply do it like this. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in another videos. Till then, goodbye.